Dear friends, it's Davis with a quick update and a little thing I would like to share with you. And thanks for being here. You probably remember Holland Tile that grew into Holland Bath Spa and eventually the floating shower bench. Now it all lives under the umbrella of HOLLSPA. Let me show you how that looks like today. Tile sourcing and installation. Bathroom design build. Home interiors. Our signature shower bench. Spaces I help bring to life. This year, I'll be sharing new work. Thoughtful details. Inspirations from nature and dreams. I hope something meaningful to you. Planning ahead. My calendar's open for spring and summer. Thinking about a bathroom or tile update? I'd love to hear from you. I truly rely on referrals, and I'm grateful for your support. If this resonates, please share it. Send me a message. Visit HOLLSPA.com to reconnect. I would love to catch up. And thanks again for being here.